Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building the Syren. This week, we are going to make the preparation to attach the ship to a stand. This is typically something you do at the beginning of the build for easy access. Unfortunately, if you remember episode 1, I got the model already started and well beyond this time frame. I tried to make the best out of the situation and I think it turned out okay. Without further ado, let's get started and enjoy the video. The first step was to mark where I wanted the stand post and remove a piece of the rabbet strip. Then I needed to drill the 2 holes for the stand post. After I completed making the holes, I needed to insert 2 3.5 inches machine screws. After that, I needed to carve out a section to insert the bolt. This would allow the machine screw to attach into something and then anchor the ship to stand very securely. I use a combination of a drill, small saw attachment, and files to make the opening. The next step was to reinforce the section around the screws, ensuring that the stand post would not move. I decided to use epoxy to glue them to the ship. This would allow a very strong bond with the wood, but also prevent the bolt from moving around. It was now the time to attach the keel to the ship. used my combination square and my caliper to mark the exact location of the hole. I made sure that it would of course align exactly with the stern post. Finally, I drilled 2 holes into the keel. This is it for this episode. Thank you again for watching the video, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care.